Dili gihapon.
Dili Japan, sir.
Ano man eh. Change permission. Sige daw, i-refresh daw palihog. Dayon, let me know if maka-edit na mo. Okay na? Sige.
Okay na, sir.
Sige, thank you. Aka nang kuan ha sa attendance kay pwede ra bisag asa mo mosuwat ako ray arrange ana. Na ay ra mo kabalaka. Sige lang ako ray bahala og rearrange ana niya. All right. So once again, good morning, guys. I hope you have taken your breakfast already. So welcome. No? Thank you guys for attending our discussion for this morning. And I think this is our first official discussion of our topic or our subject, CPA laws and professional practices. So for our reference book, I have uploaded it into our Google Classroom. You can check it out later after na lang, or you can download it today or this time, so in your own preference lang. Okay? So, right, so magsugod na ta sa atong discussion. First and foremost, the discussion will be first topic, chapter 1 will be engineering principles and standards, no? By the way, CPA laws and practices is mao ni siya iyahang pero gikan ni sa Polytechnic University ang libro na ko nakuha. So course description. So this course provide the importance of the professional and ethical responsibilities for practicing computer engineers and the effects of their work on society, the importance of understanding contemporary issues, lifelong learning strategies, and applicable ICT laws. By the way, guys, matungog ang background noise sa inyong end, like hangin or electric fan. Madungog ninyo.
Namin, sir. Gamay, sir.
Sige lang, ako lang pangon akong electric fan dere para kuan. Sige. Now, after completing the subject, you guys or the students will be able to, number one, you should recognize no important concepts of ethics and professionalism and apply ethical thinking and consideration in engineering management. Number two, you should explain or you should be able to explain the relevance of systems analysis and design to professional practice, computer related laws, as well as the best practices and standards in engineering project management. Third, you should or you could summarize or you could summarize the code of ethics no to be upheld by a computer engineer, including key principles of handling ethical dilemma or issues and issues pertaining to leadership and management. And lastly, you should be able to design an engineering solution that applies concepts of quality management. So all in all, guys, in summary, this subject will just enable us or equip you guys no to be able to solve engineering problems, not necessarily technical, but also in terms of engineering management, engineering project management, and so on and so forth, or anything related to your work as a computer engineers in the future. Okay, so basically we will be talking about laws, no, and practices that you should observe and adhere once you will become professional computer engineers pohon kaloy-an sa Ginoo. Now, course overview and outline. So, chapter 1, we will be talking about engineering principles and standards, followed by these modules. So, tulo ra na siya ka chapter, guys. And I think, dili siguro ta kaabot og finals, no? Pero, kana, if nahuman na nato sa iyo, siguro maghatag na lang ko og project para dili pud laay ang inyong kuan. By the way, nag-thesis na mo ron? Or project design na mo ron nga semester? Dili pa.
Dili
Okay.
pa, sir.
Sige. Mga question lang, nangutan na lang ko. Sige. So, once again, course overview and outline for this subject, no? For our reference book, three chapters sa Ginisia, and honestly speaking, three chapters sa Ginisia nga course or subject. Lisod kani siya pangitaan nag-reference kay kuan mo kuno siya. Like general bitaw kayo nga topic. So mo na nakakita ko aning source resource book kay naa man hao man sa DCA sa memorandum sa CHED under sa ato ang kurso as computer engineers. So chapter 1, we will be talking about engineering principles and standards followed by four modules. We have computer engineering as a discipline. So we should be able to understand no nga unsa gid di ay or unsa gid what are the description or unsay gyud ning computer engineer, unsay gamit nato or unsay atong trabaho gyud ay once we graduate from this course and proceed into the industry. Module 2, we will be talking about the best practices in engineering, no? Unsay mga saktong pamaagi. Dili siya sayon nga pamaagi ha, sakto nga pamaagi. Kay usahay ra ba ang sayon nga pamaagi, sayop na siya. Next, we have module 3. We will be talking about ethics and morality. 4, we have professional practice. Then, followed by chapter 2, we will be talking about computer engineering project management, followed by 4 modules again. So we have module 5 for project management methodologies, followed by project initiation and planning. Then we have project execution, monitoring and control, and we have project handover and closure. Then finally, chapter 3, followed by 4 modules. Ano na 8 man na siya? Ah, sakto din. Nasayop din siya. Okay. So once again, followed by 4 modules, system analysis and design. Module 9, we will talk about system development life cycle. Then followed by system modeling and use cases, followed by system architecture and user interface design, and lastly, we'll be talking about program and data storage design. Okay? So I think no need to discuss the class rules. So class rules lang nako during our discussion. If online ta, please observe proper netiquette. So if someone is talking or discussing, you may raise your virtual hand. Or if it's urgent, you can just write your concern in our chat box. Let's say, sir, I need to go number 2. Or sir, there's emergency at home. So ana lang. Okay? And if you want to talk or if you want to share your ideas, same thing, please raise your virtual hand so that I can give you the floor. If you have questions and concerns, once again, you can still raise your virtual hand or just type into the chat box. Okay? Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Sige. So, thank you for the approval. Or if you don't want to talk for the approval, you can just raise or react no virtually sa ato ang Google Classroom nga link. Okay? So, once again, chapter 1. Before we start module 1, we will just discuss first the overview no or read the overview. So engineers apply mathematics and science such as physics to find novel solutions to problems or to improve existing problems. More than ever, engineers are now required to have a proficient knowledge of relevant sciences for their design projects. As a result, many engineers continue to learn new material throughout their career. If multiple solutions exist, engineers weigh each design choice based on their merit and choose the solution that best matches the requirements. Now, based on this statement, usually we are equipped or we should be equipped to have if proficient knowledge and relevant sciences for our design projects. So in this case, if kamo akong pangutanon, unsa may kasagaran or what are the things that we should be equipped or we should be knowledge proficiently as computer engineers. So basically, we should be proficient enough to understand how hardware and software works, how they interact with each other. Another example is if you are into the network side, we should know how networks work and how does data will be transferred from our source to our destination and vice versa. Okay? So, mo to siya. Then, as a result, engineers continue to learn new materials. So puhon, ini-graduate nyo kaluyan sa Ginoo when you become professional computer engineers in your respective fields. You will also be learning no new material throughout your career puhon. Kay honestly speaking, ang atong nakatunan diri sa eskwelahan is just the tip of the iceberg. You will learn a lot more when you are in the industry na. So ari ta sa eskwelahan, more activities nya, theoretical kasagaran no. But once you go into the industry, you will you will be learning a lot more than unsay ato nakatunan sa eskwelahan. If for example, kay ba mo mga nga maka-activate mo og Office og Windows just using your PowerShell, like no need to download anything, just you use your PowerShell sa inyong PCs if you are using Windows. So kana nakatunan na ako dito na sa industry dili sa akong pagka-maestro diri sa UC. And I will teach you guys later how nga kuan ba. So kana kung naay magpa-install ninyo og inyong mga silingan nga boss na kay kuan dia boss Office dia boss Microsoft Office. Ana di ka 500 lang boss ato na installan tanan. Ayos kayo bitaw. Okay? So sige, next. Now, constraints, no? During when you become professionals pohon, constraints may include available resources, physical, imaginative, or technical limitations. flexibility for future modifications and additions, and other factors such as requirements for cost, safety, marketability, productivity, and serviceability. By understanding the constraints, engineers derive specifications for the limits within which a viable object or system may be produced or and operated. Now, based on these statements, no, di man gina nato malikayan when we become computer engineers professionals pohon kalayan sa Ginoo and graduate ninyo, di man gina nato malikayan nga sa tuang trabahoan or sa tuang gitrabahoan naa gyud mga kuwang, no? For example, naay project nga gihatag ang inyong kliyente ninyo nya expected ninyo nga budget ana nga or expected nga budget based sa inyong calculations o pag-audit moabot og 1 million, pero ang budget sa kliyente niyo 200,000 ra. So dako kay kida layo kayo. So kita as engineers in general, we should also adjust kung unsay naa diha. So meaning we should be resourceful. Kay kana, we should also be checking the available resources, physical and imaginative technical limitations, flexibility for future modification. In addition, other factors, no, such as requirements for cost, safety, marketability, productivity, and serviceability. So meaning, kung walay budget si client or kung gamay og budget si client, expected sana nga bati sana ang output nga mahitabo. And vice versa, kung dako sad og budget si client or naay available resources, dako sad og or nindot sad ang atong produkto nga mabuhat ngadto sa atong client. Parehara na sa setting diri sa Pilipinas. Now question is, I think nangutana na ba ko ninyo ani nga nganong dili man kayo ma-implement ang free wifi public places diri sa Pilipinas? Na-discuss na ko ninyo wala.
Wala
Wala
pa
pa,
sir.
sir.
Sige, nangutana ko ninyo ana. Nganong dili man na ka or gawas sa korap ang atong mga opisyalis sa Pilipinas o gawas yawa kaning PLDT o Globe nganong dili man ma-implement ang free wifi sa lain-laing lugar sa Pilipinas. Number one reason is kato, because of the monopoly. Si PLDT o si Globe pareha ra na sila. Usa ra na kalinya ang ilang gibuhat or usa ra na ka connection ang ilang gikuha gikan sa Singapore. Number two, ma-implement unta na if we have satellites. Familiar mo og satellites? Dili ka ng satellite dish nga ibang ugsok diha sa balay ha or kanang mga satellite towers nga naa makita nato sa kanang laing-laing lugar bitaw. So satellites meaning satellites sa kanang nag-orbit bitaw sa Earth. Kanang isud og rocket ba nya patuyok-tuyok sa kalibutan ba. Satellites mo na wala nato. Now, are you familiar with Elon Musk? Sigara na SpaceX. Di ba?
Yes sir.
Naaman siya produkto nga Starlink. Kanang paspas kay nga internet niya, wireless siya. So why do you think is the reason paspas na siya bisag wireless iyang connectivity? It's because he has satellites all over or all around the globe. So when he deployed StarX or SpaceX here or Starlink here in the Philippines, iya na gi-station daan nga naa siya satellite matunog nasa babaw sa kalangitan matungod nato diri sa Pilipinas. Which is katong satellite tungod sa Pilipinas nasa na siya lain nga satellite nearby siguro maybe pila ka kilometers away nga paspas ang transmission niya from the server in the US going to our country, the Philippines. So kumbaga wala siya traffic nga maagian kay aerial raman or iyang data is kanang kuan ba wireless ra bitaw. Di gat na point ngano nga na siya or nagyaw-yaw ra ko diri wala ibo ka gets. Bitaw naka-gets ra bitaw mo guys. So ingana na siya. And ikaduha ay ikatulong nga rason kana tungod sad siguro sa kakorap sa mga politiko nato diri ambot lang wa may mapili nila. So kana mo sa na dili kay na ma-implement nato diri sad to say. So wa tay mahimo ana kung naay iski chairman diri palihog ko dagan lang ko niya. Unaha intaw ninyo ang internet char bitaw. Sige. No? So any questions? Uy, nadatay konsehal re. Sihal, why palitson dia bitaw binuang ra na guys ha. Sige. So, if you have questions, wala ray pangutana, clarifications bitaw, wala ra, guys. Kuan lang, raise your virtual hand. Please like if naa, I mean wala di ay. And if you have questions, just raise your virtual hand ha. Sige. Now let us proceed, no? So the module objectives of this of our discussion for today. So after we successfully discuss modules 1 and 4, 1 to 4 rather, in chapter 1, no? We should be able to remember important concepts and scope of computer engineering, understand the significance of upholding best practice in engineering, evaluate the role of ethics and morality in engineering practice, and apply professional standards in various aspects of engineering discipline. Now, I want you guys, no, nga dili lang nato i-apply ang atong pagka-professional when we are talking with our instructors or we're talking with someone professional as well. So we should apply professionalism even now, as early as now. Ano man, para maanad na ta bisan while we are still students. Kay base niya og simbako, nag-abot niyo rito sa industriya, inyo rang ibay inyo ha mga boss amo agawon. Oy, boss amo agawon, naora ninyo ba? Giahak na lang gid. Sige. So, module 1. Oh, mana master idol ana loads. Ayo sa taon na ha kay we are in the professional kuan nga. Lahi-lahi ra ba taon na og kanang lahi-lahi ta og kanang kuan ba. Kung adto kita sa professional setting, Filipino man ta, usually our way of showing respect no to our towards our coworkers and to our bosses is we say or address them as ma'ams or sirs. But sa moa sa US, first name basis man didto. So, hey Joe, David, nana ra dito. Sige. So, Module 1, Computer Engineering as a Discipline. So, first, we need to describe or define what is engineering. So, by this statement, engineering is described as the creative application of science, mathematical methods, and empirical evidence to the innovation, design, construction, operation, and maintenance of structures, machines, materials, devices, systems, processes, and organizations for the benefit of humankind. So the root word there, or the important words in this discussion or in this definition, is the creative application of science, mathematical methods, and empirical evidence, no, to the innovation, design, construction, operation, and maintenance of structures. O kana di silang tanan eh. Mo ni important day kana sila. Sige. Now, mangutana ko ninyo, nganong ga engineering man mo? Kana ayaw mo parehan ako nga nilinya lang sa engineering kay why tao sa enrollment. So nganong nag engineering man mo? So basically, we choose in the engineering course is may noon choy man na engineering sa first name sa muka. So more like inig ka kuan inig ka matay pohon oy simbako kung mapahaway na ta sa dayon naa na ila engineer atong lapida. Choy na kay paminaw. Lo engineer ang buang. Chuya. Ana ra day sa muka. Bitaw, komedya rin na guys. So we become engineers, no? Or we choose the engineering course is because we want to create, no? We want to materialize our ideas. Kinsa mo to ni join? Ni cancel man. Okay, balik ta. So okay, so we choose engineering is because once again, we want to innovate, we want to create we want to materialize our ideas, and we want to make something that could benefit us and the humankind. Example, telephone. It was created to unsa may purpose sa telephone katong telephone nga kuan na dili cellphone telephone katong dial ba. So unsa may purpose na niya for us to communicate even with long distances. Sa una ang uso ana love letter pa, pada pa nimo suwat, email pa na nimo. Karon sayo na lang kayo chat, download na kag messenger chat na din ka. No, another example, we have vehicles. So natay mga sakyanan so we can move from one place to another in a faster rate. So una, ang gamiton kalesa or magkalisod gani, maglakaw ra. Karon sakyanan na lang or kana angkas or kana ma'am habal ma'am, so ana ba. No? And other things that makes our life easier. And sometimes we took for granted. Okay? So kana siya. Next, engineering. Wala ray questions about the definition of engineering. Wala na tay clarifications, no? Then obviously, we apply science, mathematical methods, and empirical evidence to the innovation, design, construction, operation, and maintenance of various things in our respective fields. So kita, computer engineers, we will apply no science, mathematical methods, empirical evidence to the innovation. These things we need to apply these things in maintaining and innovating our existing machines nowadays. So for example, we have our computer unsa na may pinaka-latest nga processor karon. Sa Intel we have unsay exist pinaka-latest ron i11 na ba taron or i15 na ba? Murag akong last na hinubduan kay i10 11 gen or karaan na kayo na, no? And arita sa Ryzen atong processor Ryzen 10 or 9 ba to? Sa kana siya nagkaana mo ka-advance. Nya karon sa una ang mga PC dagko kayo murag ang size sa usa ka PC usa ka room or usa ka ruman ang gidak-on niya karon ang PC mabitbit na nato sa tong kamot. So anything is innovated kanang para kumbaga mas masayon og kanang lihok or kana in English pa makes our life easier. Okay? Now, engineering discipline encompasses a broad range no, of more specialized fields of engineering, each with a more specific emphasis on particular areas of applied mathematics, applied science, and types of application. So the term engineering was derived from the Latin ingenium, meaning cleverness, and ingeniare, meaning to contrive or devise. So, mo na siya. Okay? So, unsa may kasagaran buhaton nato as engineers? Number one, we invent. We develop something new. Develop a new product, a system, or process that has never existed before. So, kung ikay una nakabuhat ana, unsa may for example lang nga pwede ninyong buhaton nga wala pa ma-exist, kuan, kanang unsa may mga example nga pwede ninyong ma-invent or pwede ninyong buhaton as thesis idea. Time machine, nganon time machine man Rex, ganahan ka mo balik sa panahon nga naa pa siya. Oh, char langs bitaw. Joke rin ha. Kana time machine, correct. So actually there are already theories no nga if you read kanang studies bitaw sa online. So there are already theories on how time machines or how can we build or how can we build a time machine, but those are still theories, wala pa gi-apply kay it will take a lot of budget, it will take a lot of resources for us to kanang create such thing. And also, if we play with time, there's a tendency nga kung unsay naa nato karon og imong hilabtan ang unsay nahitabo pag sa una, tendency is mausab ang atong future. Kumbaga, mura siya kanang ripple effect. Kung naa kay tandugon, if let's say na tinuod yun nakabuhat kag time machine, yan ibalik ka sa let's say World War kanus sa to katong si Hitler ba, World War II, no? So kung naa kay tandugon diha nga something according to this theory is kung naa kay tandugon from the past, there is a tendency, there is a big chance nga mausab gyud ang future. So posible nga dili ni nahitabo ang nahitabo nato karon. Okay? So kana invent unsa pay mga kasagaran nga wala. So as engineers we should have ideas no on how to develop a new product or we should invent something new. For example, kamo pwede man mo mag-invent as early as now students pa mo sa inyong thesis you can apply that one. And an example of an invention is kanabit ang automatic tubig machine. ATM ba kanang hughog piso nga tubig ba? That was a project of a student at UC Maine. So istoryaan lang ta mo sa historya na. So kanang ATM project na siya sa una sa UC abot lang UC Maine ba to nakalimot ko sa asa tong eskwelahan na. Ang kana struggle sa mga student ato kay wala ra ba gyud to na-exist ang automatic tubig machine nato. Now during their expo kay naamtoy during if murag ang katong eskwelahan is after nila mag-defense sa ilang final project, silang thesis rather is ilang i-present sa public ang ilang project. So kumbaga magbuhat sila og mini expo sa ilang mga projects. So nahitabo ato na ay kanang businessman or kana naa lang gyud to siya kwarta, kita siya nga ay murag makakwarta man ni siya nga project. So moto nangutana siya sa estudyante nga, "Dong pwede ko mo tan-aw sa circuit board sa inyong kaning project ninyo?" Ang bata sad taon wa say libog, "Sige sir, tanawa sir." Picturean niya ang circuit board, gipatan-aw niya og kanang technician baron, gibuhat, gi-mass produce. So kana nabuhat karon daghan na kayong kuhog tubig. Nya katong mga nagkabuhat atong project is wala na sila hold nga kuan dili sila makaingon nga amua man na nga nagi-copyright na nimo is because ilang kong gi-share. So if wala to nila ma-share, posible sila unta to'y makabaligya ato. So kato. Sige. So invention mo to siya no. Next, we engineers will innovate. So improve an existing technological product, system or method. So ma-innovate ganita, we sa may lang innovate. We improve na day. We upgrade existing things. For example, kanang automatic tubig machine pwede ninyong ma-implement or ma-improve na. Mosukli na inyo ha. Hug kag G suklian kag noibi. Bitaw way binuang gyud. This is no joke. Another, let's say kanang katong kape cup kanang coffee ba kanang tag G's bitaw kabantay man na kanang nainaw ni moy palaboy ba na nga kanang naipilianan nga kana macchiato, black black coffee ba na o kanang chocolate yang so di ato kopi ko ra. So kana pwede unsa may pwede ma-innovate ana, pwede niyo butangan og bill acceptor. Oh, butangan ninyo og kanang musukli na nga device. Oh, unya kung makuangan or wala nay kanang coins, wala nay ikasukli ang machine kay mo notify ninyo nga, "Oy boss, wala ko'y sinsiyo boss, arian ako diri." So kana, those things are innovation. Another, arita sa software side. Are you familiar with CodeCham? CodeCham no? Familiar man mo CodeCham no, guys? Ayo.
Yes, sir.
O kana.
Yes, sir.
So si CodeCham karon lang recently, I will just share it to you guys para aware sad mo. They have recently had a kanang giatake ang ilang website. So kumbaga their website is not secured. Yes, correct Ivan, na-hack ang ilahang website. So tendency is ang ato ang mga data kung na may mga account sa CodeChamp naa na nila inyong first name, inyong email, inyong last name, inyong eskwelahan kung asa mo nag-eskwela o sa patoy mga apil man siguro ang age. So kana. So unsa may pwede nyo ma-improve sa base ato or pwede nyo ma-innovate sa kanang existing sa CodeChamp. Pwede mo magbuhat og inyong kaugalingong CodeChamp unsa may pangalan ninyo. Cham code ana. Magbuhat mo og cham code pero mas enhance ang iyang security or innovative ang security. In a way, user-friendly siya or mo ni mauna. So kumbaga, ang kuan lang gyud sa innovation is unsay naa karon, unsay existing karon na pwede ninyong i-enhance, i-upgrade. Mostly mao nay buhaton nato as computer engineers for our research projects. Katong sa ako sa una, way back 2018, ang akong project final thesis ato is kanang security robot or roving robot siya. So ang concept ato is instead ay ang concept namo ato kay ang CCTV ato is naay mga blind spots. Although makatuyok-tuyok ang CCTV, excuse me. So although makatuyok-tuyok ang CCTV, there are places man sa CCTV nga dili makita or gitawag natong blind spots. So among gibuhat is we created a robot that could act as a roving security guard to check those blind spots. So kato, ang innovation nato kay kana nagbuhat ra mig robot para makita unsay katong mga lugar nga dili makita sa usa ka CCTV. So kaloy-an sa Ginoo, nakagraduate yun. Another example, um, sa mga ideas nga excuse me nga gi-innovate sa kanang ako nagian as instructor diri sa UC. There was this project nga magbutang sila og device sa usa ka punuan. Dili nila ipukpukaw like ibutang lagi nila sa punuan, and if that particular tree is being illegal log or giputol siya illegally, ang katong nga sensor or katong nga device is mo tingog siya or di siya mo tingog but rather mo notify siya sa ranger sa katong nga forest protected area nga forest. So kato na respondihan dayon nga naay mga naay mga emergencies ba like giputol ang kaning nga kahoy which is illegal. Another example is kanang, di ba, ang Cebu permi magyong bahaon. So there was this project nga kung ang baha mosud na gani niya, hapit na siya maabot sa outlets or kuryente, automatic nga ang breaker sa inyong balay mupaong siya. So kumbaga na siya water level sensor nga kung musaka na gani hapit na maabot sa outlet sa iyong kuryente, automatic ang breaker mupaong siya. So those things are innovation. Okay? And other words associated with that what engineers engineers do includes number one, we create, we design, we build, we develop, we analyze, improve, orchestrate, evaluate, and conceive. Do you have any questions whatsoever, guys? Ayu. Wala na may questions. Sige. Now, let's proceed. So, unsa gyud day or what are the functions of an engineer or unsay kasagaran nga pwede natong matrabaho when we graduate under the computer engineer course? So, number one, we can do production and testing. So, unsa may kasagaran or unsa may general in general statement na siya kasagaran buhaton to engineers who are in the production and testing area. So they will manufacture and assemble components or products. Next, we can also go to sales, no? Market engineering products. We can also go to operations. So we maintain equipment and facilities. We can also go to constructions, no? Prior to construction, organizes bids during construction, supervises certain components of process. Then we can go to management, optimize the use of resources, and go to education, teach engineering principles in university industrial setting, and we can also do consulting. Now, let's try to explain each, no, each this functionalities as an engineer. Number one, production and testing. So, unsa man sila kasagaran? Mo ni sila mubuhat or mo manufacture o mo assemble og components or products. Not necessarily, this does not necessarily mean nga puro sa ni siya hardware testing, hardware production na. Dili na siya ingon nga kamoy mo buhat gyud or this not only includes nga kamoy mubuhat sa components, let's say sa cellphone, sa computers. No, no, no. Production and testing also involves the software part. You produce the software or the program and you will test the software or the program. So basically, this is general description of production and testing. Kamoy mo buhat, kamoy mo manufacture, kamoy mo assemble, o kamo say mo test in that sense. So examples of production and testing jobs when we are in the industry na, we have software developers and software testers. Next, we go to sales, no? Market engineering products. So basically, you can also a sales agent even though you are engineers. Examples is that I have a classmate or not classmate, but rather I have a senpai, no? Or someone old, a year older than us. So senpai lang. So we have a senpai before sa UC nga karon he is now a sales agent in so di pangan siyang Trends. So Trends is a company that sells products, no, from various clients. They sell from Acer, sa pa to, Fujitsu, and so on and so forth. So ang trabaho ani sales market engineers is that they will go to various organizations to add to various businesses and advertise or present to them their products for sale. So kana igora ka mo sales stock kumbaga. So kamao kaning ma-involve ka sa gana sa sales is kamao gini mamaba or kumbaga kamao manguyab sa ilahang mga kuha na mga lakyan may kaya ni. No, boys no. May kita manguyab char. Next, we have operations. So maintain equipment and facilities. So operations mainly is for maintenance. Kasagaran ang ning mga involved sa maintenance is mga examples are service desk dahil desk naman na service desk. We have kana mga IT admins, computer kanang admins, mga lab admins mo ni sila kasagaran or mga IT staff sa usa ka organization. So man na sila. Next, construction. Prior to construction organizes bids during construction supervises certain components of processes. Construction doesn't mean civil. Dili ni but pasabot civil engineering nga construction ha nga maglokdo or magbuhat yung building, no. This means the construction of a company, not the hardware part, or not the building of the company, but rather the structure, the inside part of the company. So meaning, yung saon nila pag-construct or pagbuhat og foundation from their management, from their staffs, from their managers to their supervisors, and so on and so forth. So kumbaga, inner ni siya, internal ni siya nga construction. How does a company operate? Kana siya. Examples here, ang ma-involve ani dire is mga engineering management or engineering managers. So kasagaran dire, involved ni in general tanan sa engineering, no? Pwede man ni manager sa software development, pwede man ni manager sa operations, pwede man ni siya manager sa sales, and so on and so forth. Management optimizes the uses of resources. So kani siya, this involves managers, no? Next, we have education. Teach engineering principles of engineers and industrial settings. So examples ani is kami, inyong mga instructors sa academe. And also we have unsay nga na ni trainers, no? Puhon ini-graduate inigsud ninyo sa mga ngalain-lain nga kumpanya, kay dili man na bot pasabot nga fresh grad ka inig-apply nimo og trabaho nya inigsud nimo trabaho din kadayon, dili man na yung ana. You will also be trained. Kay bawo man na sila unsay gitudlo, or the industry knows that what is being taught in the academy or in the college is quite different in the actual na gid. So although there are some instances nga pareha gyud, for example, programming pareham gyud ang programming sa ato adri og dito sa industry. Ang nakalahian lang sa industry og sa tuwa is atua mahangyo si sir, no? Sir, naglusod man ang code, sir. Oy, kanang pwede extend ang deadline. Oh, wala mahangyo si sir. Oh, sige, extend na nato. Pero ato sa industry in tawon, wala na hangyo. It's do or die. Deadline ana is deadline, no extensions. Kasuway ko ana, ito katrabaho ko sa Alliance sa una nga. Naglabad na gyud akong naong, nasa akong naong, samot kalabad nga wa gyud ko kasulbad unsa gyud problema. Nya, ako na lang nanira sa kumpanya, ako inilak kay wa naman gyud. Ako na lang usa nahabilin. So, nahitabo ato, awagin ko kagwanta gyud, chat ko sa akong leader, oy boss, di na gyud ako mada, ay boss, miss, di na gyud ako mada, miss kay isod wa ko'y kuan ani nagsige na kog search miss na nahurot na lang akong data sig search wa gyud ko kakuan ito siya kato siya kay murag napuno na sad siguro to gisamukan sa siguro to nako, sige ako na libutan na yan na siya, goods gyapon pero ayaw na ninyo buhata, that is a bad practice gyud guys. Deadline is deadline. As much as possible, as early as now students pa mo, you should observe nga deadline gyud is deadline, no extensions allowed. Otherwise, kung let's say na-disgrasya ba simbako or na emergency sa balay, personal matters, kana siguro matagaan na og kanang matagaan siguro leeway na masulbad na siya. Okay? And lastly, consulting. So provide specialized engineering services for the client. So usually mga consultants ni sila. Example kanang mga nagnegosyo og CCTV. So magpa-consult man na sila nga, boss kanang pa-consult me, mao ni among budget, mao ni among lugar, unsay imong masulti nga kuan product namo, or example, another example is kanang mga namaligyag PC sets, no? Boss, pa kuan ko boss B mo, duwa ako og kanang sa Call of Duty Modern Warfare nga maximum nga or high definition gud, pinaka max nga graphics, unsa may kuan nimo ma-suggest nimo nga PC build o kana mo consult na sila kani sir, sa to NVIDIA 4080 mo ni mo na so kana. Okay, kajut sa guys ha, nakuha na kadit lang. Right, hi guys, I'm back. Sorry kay kuyawan ko nga namo gyud naghilak-hilak diri nya ako ra usa kung gitan-aw. Ahak lang gid. Okay. So, motor siya, functions of an engineer. So, production testing, sales, operations, construction, management, education, and Consulting. So, do you have any questions whatsoever, guys? Just raise a thumbs. Give me a thumbs up if you have questions. Okay, sige. One moment ha. All right. So apologize. Sige. So it's almost 9 o'clock. I hope guys you have understand no? Or you have learned something from today's discussion. We will continue our discussion next meeting. Face to face naman ta. So kana lang we will please advance study na lang pud sa link nga sa kani copy ani nga akong gi-upload sa ato ang Google Classroom. And for your next meeting, I hope to see you guys soon. Puhon, kaluyan sa Ginoo. And before I leave, ako sa ni-clarify yung attendance kung kompleto ba mo diri. So here listed is 25 people. Let me just rearrange this one. Adto sa guys sa sort A to Z. Hoy. So let's have is Kabag here. Unsay first name ni Mr. na siya or Miss? Kabag?
Present, sir.
Okay, Ronelo din siya. Sige. Canonego, Kent Rigel,
Present, sir.
thank you. Kapisnon, okay, thank you. Carbos,
Present, sir.
thank you. Siniza, thank you. Dagle,
Present, sir.
thank you. De la Victoria, uy, wala man. Naday, hello. Thank you. Felices, thank you. Gabato,
Present, sir.
sige, thank you. Ibarra,
Present, sir.
thank you. Libron,
Present, sir.
thank you. Lucero, Lucero, Baby Jamaica. Lagoro.
sir. Maganda nila.
Sige, sige. Mahinay.
Present, sir.
Thank you. Mahusay.
Present, sir.
Thank you. Mandreza.
Present, sir.
Thank you. Niadas.
Present, sir.
Thank you. Umandak.
Present, sir.
Thank you. Omega.
Present, sir.
Thank you. Omictin. Omictin. Basi ka burn out sa sila ha. Swan.
Present, sir.
Thank you. Somalinog.
Present, sir.
Thank you. Soralta.
Present, sir.
Thank you. Texon.
Present, sir.
Thank you. Tuto.
Present, sir.
Thank you. Valizado.
Present, sir.
And Villacampa.
Present, sir.
Sige. Ang katong wala natawag kay wala mo plot diri sa kuon. Sa ato ang kanio akong gisend nga singa na ni link. Gina lang ako na lay plot diri. Genon no. Genon John Kevin. Sige, okay na ni mo ha John. Goods na ni. Sige, kinsa pa'y wala matawag. Sige, I think everyone is called. Sige. So that will be all for today's discussion, guys. I hope to see you guys pohon face to face if kana sure na gid kung ang kanang nana ko'y loads kanang official na gid ang akong kanang as part-time instructor dira sa inyong school. Sige. So once again, thank you guys. Hope to see you guys around. Have a great day. Amping mo kanunay. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye. Mo maningog ra mo bye-bye na.
Sorry,
Sige,
sir.
sige. Bye-bye, bye-bye.